Welcome back everyone to vlog number 3. Today I'm going to show y'all how to do y'all's laundry during a boil water advisory. Alright ladies and gents, let's get to work. What are you doing here?
What's up, dude?
Have you been living here this whole year?
Just been sleeping.
What we're gonna do today is do our laundry. Remember, get your pan and remember our cookie sheet. Say hi, Maddie. He's getting fed. He's doing well. All right, let's go. All right, so like I said, you want to get the pot of water first. Take the lid off because it's a very heavy pot of water. Just work very carefully.
Dude, watch out for the bottom.
Whoa, whoa, whoa! Oh gosh! Cut!
Are you okay, dude?
Get it. Be very careful with the water. Alright, when you reboil the water, be extra careful and go to the laundry room. Alright, now that your water's here, what you want to do is throw a Tide Pod in, alright? Now, look at all the clothes I've got. You see that? That is enough clothes for 2 Tide Pods. Actually, you want to put 2 Tide Pods in, right?
Okay.
Alright, so after your Tide Pods in, you want dude, Maddie, what are you doing? So after you put the Tide Pods in, what you want to do is get the boiled water and now get a nice even pour. Now let the gravity do all the work. Let gravity do all the work and pour it in your clothes. You know, I'm going counterclockwise, but you can go clockwise if you prefer. So whatever suits your fancy. So you just continue pouring the water. You know, it's all sterilized, all the bacteria is killed. So your clothes will be nice and clean afterwards. And there we go.
Wait, why can't you just use regular water if it's gonna wash? Christopher? Where are you?